Tawagin ang ating Binibining Kalikasan 2024. She was born on December 9, 2008, a vibrant and dedicated grade 9 student currently enrolled at Facundo C. Lopez Palangan Integrated School, where she exemplifies diligence, ambition, and a profound love for learning. Her aspirations reach far beyond the classroom, as she harbors a bold dream of becoming a chemical engineer, an ambition that speaks volumes about her determination and intellectual curiosity. Even at this tender age, she displays a keen awareness of her future path, eager to make a significant impact in the field of science and engineering. Beyond her academic pursuits, she embraces life with a unique perspective encapsulated in her personal motto, comparing yourself to others will only make you lose sight of your true value. These words encapsulate her philosophy, one of the self-assurance, resilience, and the unwavering beliefs in one's individual worth. Tonight, as we witness the culmination of grace, intelligence, and potential, let us celebrate a young woman destined for greatness, poised to leave an indelible mark on the world. Her journey has only just begun, and we are privileged to witness the first steps of what promises to be an extraordinary future. Please join me in welcoming and applauding Miss Lay Angelique D. Valino, our Binibining Kalikasan 2024.